Today we will learn divisibility rules for 13. If the sum of 4 times the last digit and the number formed by other digits is either 0 or divisible by 13, then the number is divisible by 13. So for example, let's take a number 247. 4 times the last digit. So the last digit is 7. 4 times the last digit means 4 times 7 is equal to 28. The number formed by other digit. So what are the remaining numbers? 2 and 4. And the number formed by other digits is 24. So what we need to do? We need to write 24. If the sum of 4 times the last digit and the number formed by the other digits. So we need to find the sum. So we will add these two numbers. 28 plus 24. 2 carry 1, 4 carry up the 1, 25, 52. 52 is divisible by 13 because 13 times 4 is 52. Therefore, 247 is divisible by 13. Now let's do another example. 2, 7, 6, 9. The last digit is 9. 4 times the last digit means 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. And the remaining digits are 276. And the number formed by the remaining digits 276. 276. Now let's add. We need to find the sum. So we just need to add them. 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1. 3 plus 7, 10. 11, carry 1. 312. So after adding, we are getting 312. So 312 is a big number because we know 13 times table up to 10 where we get 130. But over here it's 312. So let's repeat the process again. So the last digit is 2. 4 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8. And the remaining digits are 3 and 1. And the number formed by the remaining digits, 31. So we need to add 31 plus 8. 31 plus 8 is 39. So 39, we know 13 times table. 13 times 3 is 39. So 39 is divisible by 13. By 13. So therefore, 2769 is divisible by 13. This is how we need to check the bigger numbers, whether the number is divisible by 13 or not. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.